Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make money with ClickBank. With this method guys, I will show you exactly how ClickBank works, how to choose your product and how to promote your product using the best traffic source you have never seen before. I will show you exactly how this work, and you can start even today, and results you will see in the next some days, guaranteed. Okay, this is a unique method. You never seen this method before. This is a new video, this is a new method, and I hope you like this video. And of course, this is very important to take action. Don't delay. If you want to make money online, you have to take action. You have to do some works online. You have to choose a great product, and you have to use a great traffic. Okay, this is very important. Great product and great traffic. So let me show you exactly how this works and how you can start even today. Okay, so basically, if you don't have an account with a ClickBank, you can go here and click create account. This is easy to make a free account with a ClickBank. Everyone can join this fantastic affiliate network, and everyone can make money from this affiliate network. So let's start. So basically, like I said, if you don't have an account, you can go here to create the account. If you already have an account, click login, and let's go. Okay, so basically, like you see with a ClickBank, you can make a lot of money. Like you see, every week I make 2,000 to 3,000, like you see, even more 3,000. Every day I make 200, 400, 300, 400. You can see every day you can make money from this affiliate network, and you can do it too. Everyone can do it. Everyone can earn from this system. Okay, so how this work? Let me show you exactly how this system works, and you can use this fantastic method even right now. Okay, so basically, when you make your account and sign up, this is the dashboard, and you can see here in the top, you can see marketplace. So let's go to marketplace. Okay, you can see here there is a lot of product here in the menu. You can see sub category. There is a lot of products that you can use to promote and make a commission and earn an affiliate commission. You can make a lot of money from this network, and I really recommend to join this network and start working even today. Okay, so basically how this work, there is a lot of product here. One of this product that I will show you. This is a great product called Crypto Ultimatum. Sorry, and all you have to do is type Crypto Ultimatum and go search. You will find one product. This product is a fantastic and great product, and I really recommend to promote you can promote any product you wish. Okay, this is, I think this is clear. And you can promote any niche, any category, any product you want. For this example, for this video, I just want to show you how to promote this product or any product you want to promote. So basically all you have to do is click promote and make your affiliate. You can see generate hop link and you will get this link. So basically this is your affiliate link. All you have to do is get traffic. Okay, this is very important. Get traffic and get your commission when you make your sales. Okay, so basically let's copy this link and we can close this window. Now, how to promote this link, guys? This is very important. Like I said, you need a great product, and more important is to get great, even a fantastic traffic. This is very important point, so I need your attention now. And this is so easy to get traffic, and I will show you exactly how I am getting traffic, even thousands of tons of traffic to my affiliate link. So how this work? Basically, there is a software called Mass Traffic Monster. You can see this software, Mass Traffic Monster. You can make a search on Google, so you can find this software. Also I will put the link below this video, so you can find this software. So basically all you have to do is go to you can see your URL and type your link here in the URL inbox. Okay, this box. Okay, so basically you have to put your link here in the top. Now you have to choose your category for your products. Okay, so what your product talking about? Sorry, Bitcoin. There is a Bitcoin, and there is a, let's see, there is more category, even how to work for this product, and businesses. Let's see, where is businesses? Okay, I will keep a Bitcoin category. Okay, so Bitcoin category, and all you have to do is the next step is click ping my URL. Okay, this ping my URL, this is to ping your URL, so you can get a relevant and a very convert and laser target traffic. Okay, so this option is very important. So basically you have to click ping my URL and you will get this inbox keywords. You have to add some keywords to your product. Okay, this point, this is very important. Okay, so you have to choose your category, relevant category for your product. You have to click ping my URL, and you have to get keywords for your product. So how to get these keywords for every product or any link you wish to promote? There is tools called keyword tool.io. Okay, basically I will put the link below this video, so you can get this tool. This is a free tool. You can use it for free, and all you have to do is, like you see here, first you have to choose English and global. Okay, global / English, and then you have to type here, let's say Bitcoin or earn Bitcoin. You need a relevant keyword for your product. Okay, this is very important. You have to put here a relevant keyword for your product, your ClickBank product, or any product you want to promote. Okay, you can, with this software, you can promote any affiliate network you wish. Okay, this is clear, but for every link I recommend to choose a keywords, and all you have to do is visit keywordtool.io and type here your relevant keywords and click search. Okay, when you click search, you will get unlimited great keywords. So all you have to do is click the very relevant product for you, and go here and click copy to clipboard. Okay, when you copy to clipboard, all you have to do is go back to your software and basically paste your keywords on this inbox. Okay, this is very important. Then all you have to do is click start. Now this software, like you see, start working. First, you can see here in the green line, this software ping your URL in the first and start immediately to deliver traffic. Like you see here, I already get to my link over 1,500,000, over 500,000 visitors to my link. Okay, this is a fantastic, great traffic that you can get from this software. You can see all the referrals traffic. You will get traffic from Facebook, Quora, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and more and more. This is a big list of traffic, and this is a fantastic traffic to promote your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, for now, I hope you like this video. I hope you will take action and start work and earn money from this system, from this method. I hope and wish you all luck. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you very much.